We talked about tires last time. Do you know that wheels also need maintenance?
What? No idea.
All right. Let's start with the typical types of wheels. Do you know the differences?
This one has lots of something like skewers.
You are right. They are called spokes. Today we talk about the spoked wheels.
All right.
On the wire spoked wheel, the small disc in the middle and the big ring are connected by spokes.
And there are bearings at the center of the wheel, right?
Bearing?
The bearing is necessary to rotate the wheel smoothly.
I see.
That's why the bearing might cause the problems like a motorcycle doesn't go straight or the handlebar sways if it gets damaged or spokes get loosened.
Oh no. I didn't know that. That's really dangerous.
That's why we need to have periodic maintenance.
That's right. Also, when you go through the area with big bumps, you could damage the wheel if you are not careful enough. If that happens, you need to bring your motorcycle for a checkup. And don't forget the pre-ride inspection and periodic maintenance.